Hey guys, I'm just gonna do a quick little project. I filled the spray bottle up with bleach and I want to try and do that bleach tie-dye acid wash thing. So I have this one for practice. I've never even done tie-dye before, so I'm like not really sure about the techniques. I know you can like twist it up and like bunch it, and it always just turns out good. But it would be cool to get a successful spiral. But I don't know, that might be a little bit too advanced for me. Okay, so I'm gonna just do a little practice one on this, and apparently we have to wait a little bit. The big job is that sweater. That sweater has a gross stain on it right here. It's kind of not that big, but it's like a resin stain, so it's hard as rock. It's so weird, I hate it. But I always notice it when I wear the sweater, so I was like, let's just acid wash it, and like, that would definitely be more distracting. So from the one tutorial video that I saw on this, you just do whatever, then you spray it, then it's fine. And then I'll give that a minute. Or maybe I'll scrunch it a bit. Flip it over. Okay, so I'm just gonna let that sit and dry for a minute. Hopefully something happens. I thought this would be a fun and cool thing to experiment with because you never know how the material or the fabric is going to react. Every time it could be like a different color combo, depends on like how the shirt was made, so we don't even know. Hoping for something cool though. This is just like a little bit of practice before I get into tie-dyeing because that would be so fun. Okay, so far nothing's really happening. Smells like bleach though. Might add a little bit more. It's actually changing a little bit. You know what? I will just give it some time. No rush, shirt. You do your thing. Okay, I'm just gonna do it. Like, why not? I don't care. I don't care. This one's lightening so quickly. Okay, close. Okay, nothing happened to this one, so it might just be like resistant to bleach. Oh no, it changed a little bit. Okay, I'll look at it in a minute. I'm just really impatient. Yeah, so I've never done this acid wash thing before, and I don't think it's turning out too well. I think I saturated it with too much bleach, but we'll just be patient and see how it goes. I'm kind of obsessed with this pinkish textured color that I'm getting from my big sweater. Yeah, that's kind of what I was hoping for, but I'm not gonna jump the gun or assume anything and just let it do its thing because I don't know what to expect. It's like chemicals, man. I don't know. If this is a successful project, wouldn't this be so fun to do with your friends in the park? Yeah, on a sunny day. Okay, to be honest, the tutorial video that I watched before I did this gave me zero information. And looking back on it now, I'm like, why is that the one I clicked? Okay, so checking in, this one faded to like a white color. Kind of cool. Simple, definitely could go harder on this one, but I like it. Interesting. I like it. It's like pink on the edges and then blue on the inside. Okay. That's something. I think I'm gonna try a little splash right here. And then a little one over here. See how that turns out. pretty cool. Okay, so I think this is sick. I'm going to go rinse them off, and then hopefully I can wear it soon because I think it looks awesome. I just wish I could pet it. It's so fluffy. Here is a rock I found the first time I went to Thunder Bay. It's full of amethyst and quartz, and it shines so beautifully, especially right now, so I thought I would show it to you. But do you think we can top this once we get to Thunder Bay? Like, this thing's huge. I'm so surprised I brought it all the way back, but it's really gorgeous, and I don't think I could ever find something like this here. But Thunder Bay is known for its amethyst. I got this in the mail. This is, let me explain it to you, heavy duty weather strip seal. I'm using this. I found the thickest one that I could find on Amazon. That was a reasonable price. I think it was $10 for this amount, 17 inches long. I'm gonna use this to seal up the bottom of the door where there's a little bit of a crack, and then a little bit up here too. It has this peel and then it's an adhesive. So you can see a little bit of a crack there. I want to seal that up. But then there's a little bit of an opening up there too. So chilly out today. Okay, so I'm peeling that off. Yeah, that's better. Still see a little gap, but I think that's good enough for now. Enjoy this coffee. Oh gosh, this is totally full. Yikes, almost overflow. Very full coffee. Oops. Okay, so I'm so excited because there is a tradition. Every spring and during most of the summer, there's this bright red cardinal that just taps at all the windows, or all the windows and reflections and mirrors of the cars. So he's chosen mine, and I want to get a clip of him. He just stares at himself in the side mirrors on my van. About to go and sew these magnets. I picked these up at Michael's yesterday. They're really tiny, way smaller than what I wanted. I ordered some large ones online, but they never came. So I'm just gonna use all of them, all 6 of these. This already has some magnets in it around the edge. It definitely needs some reinforcement. And these are like the super strength magnets. I feel like even just 6 might help a little bit. So this is the thing that covers my window in the back, and it just clips onto the metal doors. By the way, this is how the acid wash turned out. I think it looks pretty cool. Not too much going on the sleeves and not too much going on the back, but the front turned cool. I might add more, who knows, but I like how it didn't affect the logo. And that's the reveal for that. But right now I'm working on a project. Look at this beautiful sunshine in here. Oh, so I have these little pieces of wood that I'm gonna screw behind the screw, like inside the door, so it doesn't like, it's more stable. I think that'll work. Okay, cool. So now that this is much more stable, I can't even shake it, so much better. I'm going to cover these little screws in embroidery floss. It's just a small little detail, but I think it will look a lot better. This is a really nice light blue. I'm kind of doing the same effect that I did for this cord, covered in rainbow embroidery floss. My broom covered in friendship bracelets. So yeah, sometimes on my channel it might take 2 videos to just put up a bar, but when we do it good. It's complete. So I just spent like the last 15 minutes just making a cozy for a screw, but screws can be cute too. Point proven. I feel like soon I'll definitely have this area covered up too. The reason I was apprehensive at first was because these doors kind of get water in them a lot. They leak a lot and I didn't want the insulation to get moldy or anything. So I just thought I would cover them in plastic. Might as well make every single improvement that I can think of. I'm finally getting around to putting insulation in these doors. Thank you to the comments of my last video for encouraging me. I don't know why I haven't done this project sooner. It seems like a basic living thing to add insulation. And now that it's springtime, I went through all of winter without it. Let's do it now. Let's go cut out some insulation. We're gonna have to do like 4 separate pieces, and I'm gonna cover each piece of insulation in plastic. I'm gonna put it in like a garbage bag so that it's kind of more waterproof. I might have to, I don't know, switch this out once in a while because these doors kind of leak. Always in a rainy climate, so I don't want the insulation inside to get moldy ever. But yeah, this is just a really small area that I'm insulating, and hopefully it goes well and easy enough. I did not think we would use this entire thing. Not at all. Wow. Okay. Every time I look at this project, I'm like, oh, now I'm halfway done. Now I'm halfway done. Oh, almost halfway done. It's like, am I ever gonna finish? Okay, so I can call these doors almost completely finished at this point. Stuffed to the brim with insulation, and here as well. It was exhausting. I kind of want to cover this up. This is like some ugly space. So I'm really kind of, what am I? I'm kind of beside myself right now. I want this poster in my space, in my van so bad, but I don't have a big enough space. It's like kind of big. And I don't want to put it sideways over here, but can I crop this? Like, I'm so sorry to the artist. I don't mean to, but like, I want this so bad, but like, I don't know. Covering this, I think it looks so good here. I kind of feel bad though. Just like crop a little bit from the bottom. It's kind of gone through a lot already. Like it's moved a few times with me, but I love this print. So beautiful. Lauren, is this okay? I'm gonna do it. Sorry about it. Yes, that's what I call a van improvement. So much nicer.